Forgotten username recovery failed on MarketSmith Fix. If you've forgotten your MarketSmith username, most people guess repeatedly and get frustrated, but here's the correct way to recover it quickly and securely. Step 1. Visit the MarketSmith login page and click Forgot Username. Enter the email associated with your account. MarketSmith will send a recovery email with your username or a secure reset link. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email, gather verification information like your full name, subscription plan, or recent account activity. MarketSmith support can use this to verify your identity and help you recover your username manually. Step 3. Check all email folders, including spam and promotions, for the recovery email. Follow the instructions carefully and avoid submitting multiple requests at once, which can slow the process. Step 4. If automated recovery fails, contact MarketSmith support directly. Provide all verification details and explain that the recovery process didn't work. Their team will guide you securely through regaining access. After recovering your username, improve account security by enabling two-factor authentication and storing credentials safely in a password manager. This prevents similar issues in the future. By following these steps, you can quickly regain access to MarketSmith and continue leveraging its powerful tools for stock analysis. Forgetting your username is just a minor setback that can be resolved efficiently.